So, West Ham 3, Arsenal 1. Yes, West Ham 3, Arsenal 1. How dare you? How dare you? How many more cups are you going to throw in the bin, mate? Leave every single one of that lot in Stratford and make them walk home in the rain. Yeah, how dare you? I am absolutely seething. I'm holding it back. I really do not want to swear. Yeah, and I've had enough of this manager. I've had enough of these players. I've had enough of this fan base telling me, oh, bigger fish to fry. They're spinning that crap again. Yeah. What do you mean bigger fish to fry? We didn't fry any. I fried more fish today on the beach with my sea bass, yeah, than this got fried for the last 4 years. Sub to the channel. Big up to everyone who watched the watch along. Make sure you sub to Lee Reacts. Appreciate all of you. Big up to everyone in that watch along. And like I said at the start of that game, before the game even kicked off in the hour build up, yeah, my watch along would be more entertaining than that rubbish. That midfield was an absolute disgrace. Absolute disgrace. Goalkeeper, cool. You've been our goalkeeper for 2 years. Number 1 for 2 years. Cool. Ben White. Ben White. Sorry, mate. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're marking 2 of your own players. The goalkeeper's wiping out our centre-back, and there's only 2 players of West Ham anywhere near him. And you're flicking that in your own net. It was almost like he meant it. What are you doing? But then, don't worry. No problem. No drama. No problema. Yeah, no drama. No problema. No pasa nada. Yeah, no pasa nada. Yeah, cool. No drama. We got Eddie in the room, innit? Because he's so pumped after his hat-trick. Yeah. Kai Havertz after the pity penalty and the assist. Oh, the confidence boost. Reece Nelson with 5 million deposited in his bank account and 100 grand a week. Yeah. Oh, we're retaining our youth. Yeah. How about go and get me better players, mate? How about that? Yeah, how about that? Fabio Vieira playing in a 3-man midfield with Kai Havertz and Jorginho. When that lineup came out, I was like, cool, the back line's pretty much our best back line, apart from Saliba. But no drama. Yeah, killed the myth tonight. Well, maybe it didn't, actually. You can play a left-footed centre-back on the right. Maybe it didn't. Maybe it didn't because we lost 3-1. Yeah, but either way, your manager, the manager you've been telling me I'm in the mud for, I'm a flip-flop and I'm a rat. Where is my rat? Let me get my rat. Yeah, where's my rat? Yeah, the rat is back, mate. Flip-flops on the rat, yeah? That is my rat, yeah? Cool. Eddie up front, cool, fair enough, he scored that trick. But if you're dropping Declan Rice because he's the only decent midfielder we have and you don't want to get him injured, then why are you not dropping Eddie then? Because we ain't got another striker. So why are you saving Rice? Fair enough, Saka dropped, benched, sat down, rested. You can say benched, dropped, rested, however you want to do the mental gymnastics, cool. Whatever makes you happy, innit? Yeah, Trossard, cool. Eddie, cool. But you look at that 3 in midfield. Why is El Neni and Rice not playing that game? El Neni, he'll get up and down. He'll patrol the midfield. Yeah, he's a bit of a threat off corners. We see that the other day. And he'll give you a 7 out of 10. Declan Rice, you can play him in the Xhaka position. And then you can give Vieira the free roam in the Odegaard position. But no. We can't do that. That's too simplistic. Cheers, guys. Don't worry. They'll wheel out another kit tomorrow. They'll get somebody in the Frimporghini down at Colney Carpool and all that crap. Yeah, and don't worry. I'm sure Winner make an appearance in it. Yeah, I'm sure Winner make. Heads up on to the next. In fact, if this lot even tweeted, I swear this lot tweet. Oh, my days. I blocked this lot a couple of weeks ago. I swear they better not have tweeted. Let me have a look. A few posts. Thanks for your support. Attention now turns to the weekend like it was nothing. Our Carabao Cup run comes to an end. So our Carabao Cup run comes to an end. That was 48 minutes ago, 8 minutes ago. Thanks for your support, Gooners. Do they even know what that word means? They don't, do they? Because Gooners was part of the firm. That was the name, Goon Squad. No, idiots. Attention now turns to the weekend. Swat it off like it's nothing. And they put Kivia on Declan Rice on the graphic. You know what you were doing. Yeah? Subconscious brainwashing, mate. Yeah, I am sick to death of this football club. I'm sick to death of throwing cups in the bin. Yeah, every single one of them was a disgrace. Gabriel Magalhaes, disgrace. The goalkeeper, disgrace. Kivior, disgrace. That C-Tech Bart Simpson, disgrace. Benjamin White. Benjamin what? Benjamin Shite, I told you from day. Yeah, maybe last season was an anomaly, mate. Yeah, because since you've dyed your hair silver, you have been absolutely cack. Midfield, Jorginho and Havertz. Is this 2019 Chelsea? Fabio, but Fabio, this is the season where he proves the doubter. Really? What did he do? What did he do? Reece Nelson, what did you do? Eddie, what did you do? Trossard, what did you do? You were shocking. And then this manager at half-time decides, you know what? I'm not going to make a sub because I'm getting paid 8 million quid a year. I'm the man. Well done, mate. Cheers, guys. Yeah, well done. Absolutely sick to death of it. I have said on every show all week, yeah, give me this League Cup. Give me the League Cup. Port Vale, Middlesbrough. I think Everton beat Burnley tonight. I don't know the other scores, but I know Man United got panned. Yeah, Fulham, I think, beat Ipswich. You telling me we can't win this competition? And he goes, doesn't matter. We ain't making no subs at half time, mate. Yeah, because he's so arrogant that he just goes, go and do it again. And within a couple of seconds of the second half, they should have scored. Kudus nearly scored. If Ben White didn't clear off the line, it's a tap-in. Aaron Ramsdale flapping around again. Yeah, which keeper was Flapianski tonight? Yeah, just saying, innit? Just saying. And then they do go and score. They do go and score. Kudus. Cheers. Cheers, guys. What was Fabio Vieira doing? Just jogging down the touchline. Allows the man, didn't even press, just jogging. Just jogging. Lets them spray the ball. What was Zinchenko. First touch on Kudus, class. Fair play, great goal. What are we doing? What are we doing? I've had it up to here, mate. I am so sick and tired of this manager, this flipping manager, throwing these cups in the bin. How many more cups is he going to throw away? How many more times am I going to sit here on cup nights embarrassed? I've said all week, give me the League Cup. Us and Liverpool should be in the final unless we get each other. We're the best two teams on paper left in it. Embarrassing. Absolutely embarrassing. Yeah, they should all be walking home from Stratford. Leave every single one there. Get him out. Get him out. I'm sick of him. Standing there. Does he look like a guy that's under pressure, by the way? So arrogant it is unreal. You've got Edu up in the crowd. Just sitting there. What? Well, you're not screwing. Arsenal fans in the crowd laughing, by the way. These are the same top gooners that tell me I'm negative and toxic. Top gooners walking out the ground. Why are you walking out? Back your manager, innit? But I'm negative. I'm toxic. I'm the issue. No, you divs paid for fucking... See, I've sworn. You divs have paid to watch that game and then you're leaving early. Back your manager, innit? Oh, but it don't matter. Bigger fish to fry. On to the next. Oh, it's only the League Cup. Well, if it's only the League Cup, why did you pay your hard-earned money to go and watch that game then? Why is anyone watching that game if it's only the League Cup? Oh, it don't matter. Well, if it don't matter, why are you watching it then? Yeah, absolute fraudulent performance tonight. Fraudulent manager, and he should be potted. I am sick of this guy. But it's the 1st of November. Pick up the carpet, brush it underneath, pull it down. All of a sudden, out of the Champions League group stage next week. Oh, maybe beat Newcastle if we're lucky. Still unbeaten. Bigger fish to fry. And then when it all comes tumbling back down next year, i.e. 2024, nobody's going to come back to this League Cup shambles. Nobody's going to come back to the FA Cup knockout. Nobody's going to come back to the Champions League knockout. Nobody's going to hold this club accountable for not winning anything again. Oh, but how about shut up, man? How about shut up? I am sick of excuses. When is it acceptable to call this out? In 24 days from now will be the 25th of November, right? 4 years ago, 2019, I said, I ain't backing this manager. It'll amount to nothing. Yeah? It amounts to nothing. And yes, cool. Oh, but I'd rather be in a title race than win the Carabao Cup. Shut up, you punk. Why are you streaming it in the first place? Why are you at the game? Why are you doing watch-alongs? Why are you doing fan cams? The League Cup's beneath a club like Arsenal. It was all in our hands. These people are absolutely finessing all of you lot. Yeah? I say it from here, mate. Yeah? This lot on the green screen behind me, yeah, this lot is the standards. Yeah, this lot are the standards. Cool. They might not have ever won a League Cup, but I tell you something, yeah, the standards are on the gutter. They're on the floor. Yeah, and this fan base is an absolute shambles. Yeah, and so is that manager, and so is every one of them players that played tonight. Not one of them played well. Not one of them. Not one of them. I don't want to hear anyone when this manager gets sacked, and he is going to get sacked or he's leaving. By the end of the season, he is adios. Yeah, adios. He's gone by the end of the season. Yeah, I don't want to hear anyone when that next manager comes in talk to me. Yeah, I am sick and tired. If you're not going to go and win the league, which we ain't, you're not going to go and win the Champions League, which we ain't, at least have a cup run. At least have a cup run. Give the fans saying, if we had got through tonight, yeah, and then we get through the next round, we're at Wembley in a semi. Then we get to the final. Olympiacos, Sporting Lisbon, Villarreal. We've lost to Liverpool in the League Cup, Brighton in the League Cup. We've lost to Southampton in the FA Cup. We lost to Nottingham Forest in the FA Cup. We lost to Man City reserves in the FA Cup. When is it acceptable to call this out? Yeah, I want to win that competition. That guy threw it tonight. Yeah, that guy's thrown every cup competition since he won one. Yeah, 640 million deep. He's thrown every single player away pretty much every single player of that team away. He's done 640 and won nothing with his own team. I am fuming. Bin him. Yeah, that's me. That's me. Yeah, I'm done. Yeah, I'm out of it. Sack him. Sacked a lot of them. Shambles. One more thing I'm going to say. Yeah, I'm not even going to, I didn't even celebrate Odegaard's goal. F him. Yeah, Casper the Ghost, Odig Ghost and all of that. Yeah, well done. Happy Halloween, you prat. Yeah, the fact that he threw Declan Rice on at 3-0. No, it was 2-0 when he threw them. But the fact that he threw Odegaard, Saka and Martinelli on at 3-0, you are spineless. You are spineless. You are hiding behind them players tonight. You are a disgrace and you will amount to nothing at this football club. You've had your glory, mate, and you've lived off it for 4 years. 4 years. Yeah, 4 years. I've said on every show I've done this week, win me that cup. Yeah, I don't care if we finish 10th. Win me a trophy this season. I don't care. I'll take 10th because you know what? It's a Premier League spreadsheet, mate. I feel better if we finish second rather than 8th. Shut up. You still lost. Yeah, you just lost by less. Shambles. Adios.